Hey gifted crafters, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing on the Brother sewing and quilting machine, and this is the SQ9285. So let's get started because I'm super excited. Okay, this is a pretty big box, so we're going to try to do the best I can here. So let's get started on opening this up. Not sure if I got that. There we go. Once you open it up, looks like it's pretty well packaged here. Got some tape holding some things together. Have a couple of small items here. Looks like we've got some sewing feet in here, thread holder, even a little seam ripper. So nice little gadgets here in a little plastic bag. I'm going to put those over to the side. Like here we have the cord. Here we have the sewing foot here. It's a pedal. And let's see, I'm going to try to kind of take some of these other pieces out. Pretty well packaged, so it doesn't look like this thing moved around very much. Got another little box here with some goodies inside. Here is the manuals. Super important, definitely something that you want to take a look at. And I'm going to slide this over to the side here and see if I can slide it out. Okay. I'm going to put this over on its side here. Got some tape on the side, so let me just cut that open. Okay, here we go. Well, here is the machine itself. Now this is the Elite model, so let me take this out of the styrofoam here. So we've already gotten the small little bag with a lot of the little tools here. We've got the sewing pedal here. We've got the cord, the instructions. Let's see. And we have another little box here. And once I open that out, this seems to be the sewing table. So this is a sewing and quilting machine. So it does come with the table, which is super nice and a great asset to this. Now the machine itself is really well packaged. Everything looks to be in order. They have this blue tape that kind of protects it to keep things in place. And you can see here, the machine itself has 3 settings: slow, medium, and fast. And you can easily move that with the dial. And you have your stitch settings here. You have all of the different stitches that come with the machine. And this is really nice. You see the bobbin down here on the bottom. And it has an automatic needle threader, which is amazing. That is just such a lifesaver. It also allows you to wind your bobbin up here on the top. So it has some really nice features. I think it's really well packaged. And it has a little handle in the back for you to easily carry it around. So you can see this really is a nice little machine. You've got your manual handle here where the needle will go up and down. And it has like a little compartment here for you to be able to store all of your supplies. So let's get some of this other stuff, some of this tape off. They really packaged this well. They really don't want anything moving around, which is really nice. Okay. I think I got most of it off down here on the bottom. So if you slide this off, now you have your free arm, which is really nice when you're trying to sew those cuffs. So that's a really great thing to have. And then on here on the side, it seems like, see, when you open it up here, you'll have the rest of the tools that kind of come with the machine. So you have a little case here, and inside the case, you have a bunch of different things that the machine will come with. And you can see you have all the different feet. You have your button, hole foot. You've got little screwdrivers and things so that you can change out the parts. They even provide you with a double needle here, some organ needles. That's a great brand. And then some extra sewing needles on here. A couple of bobbins on here. You've got your sewing foot, your 1/4 inch foot, your zipper foot. You know, you have all different types of feet on here. Here's your twin needle here. So it comes with a lot of accessories, really all that you need to get started. This is a great little machine just to start yourself off when you're entering the sewing world. It is a really nice machine. It does allow you to backstitch as well. And that's here where you can have your needle go up and down as well. So you can see here, the buttons are very nicely labeled, so very easy to see. You have a whole bunch of stitches that come in with the machine. These are built-in stitches. And, you know, it's a lot of fun. You're going to have a really nice time working with this machine. You have your tension up here on the top. And, you know, it's just really well made. And you can just go ahead and go through the manual and, you know, start learning about how to use this machine. That's how I would really suggest for you to do that. I'm going to move these over to the side. And we're going to open up this table here. I'll show you how easy this is. It does come with the little feet that you just kind of pop up here. And then you just take this and you slide it into place. That's it. Just like that, you have a nice little sewing table with the machine for your quilting. Really, really easy, really simple to use. This is a great little machine. It comes with the complete package that you need to get started. All you need to do is get some thread, some fabric, and you're ready to go. I think this machine is really great. And, you know, this is one that I would recommend for someone who's just starting off to sew and learning how to quilt. It has a lot of gadgets. I would really recommend that you read the manual and learn how to use the machine. And I think this is great. And I'm sure that, you know, if you get this machine, you're really going to love it. I know I do. This is a really great little machine that is really nice to do all kinds of quilting projects with. That is my unboxing on this. You can see all of the little gadgets that come with it. And I hope that this was really helpful for you. So if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We do weekly live sessions to talk about all things crafty. So I hope you can join us for that as we have tons of fun. Thanks again for tuning in, and I hope to be crafting with you soon. Bye.